Imagine this. You're stuck in the middle of nowhere, your phone is dead, and your car suddenly refuses to start. Most people panic. But what if I told you your car might already have hidden emergency features that could literally save your life? Today we're uncovering 15 secret car emergency features no one talks about, but every driver needs to know. Hidden key slot in your fob. Ever had your key fob die? Most cars have a hidden manual key tucked inside the fob, and a secret slot near the door handle to unlock your car. Manual fuel door release. If your electronic fuel door refuses to open, check inside the trunk or near the driver's seat. There's often a manual lever to pop it open. Emergency trunk release. Every modern car has a glow-in-the-dark lever inside the trunk. If someone ever gets locked inside, it's a lifesaver. So, let's talk about override options for dead batteries. Some cars actually have a hidden jump-start terminal under the hood. Even if the battery is completely dead, this feature is perfect for reviving your car with a little help from another vehicle. Here's something interesting. Certain brands hide a backup key slot in the steering column or sometimes under the dash. This means you can still start your car, even if your key fob is totally out of juice. And, a lot of vehicles include a secondary override for the child safety window lock. That way, adults can roll down the windows even if the child lock is engaged. If your car suddenly won't start, check the fuse box. Some vehicles include an emergency reset button to quickly bring electronics back to life. Did you know in some models rapidly pressing the hazard light button can activate additional safety alerts like flashing brake lights to warn traffic behind you? On your dashboard fuel gauge, that tiny arrow next to the pump icon shows which side your gas tank is on, a lifesaver when borrowing a car. So, many cars actually let you fold the rear seats from the trunk with a hidden lever, giving you quick access in emergencies, which is super handy if you ever need to reach the cabin fast. Automatic cars, often have a hidden slot near the shifter. This lets you shift into neutral manually if your battery dies, which can be a real lifesaver in certain situations. And, holding the panic button on your key fob for several seconds can sometimes double as a distress signal if you're in danger. It's a simple trick, but it could really help when you need it most. So, some brands like Volvo and BMW, they actually hide a rechargeable flashlight inside the glove box or door panel. It's one of those features that's rarely noticed, but honestly, super handy when you need it most. Window brake points. Now, car windows are super tough, but near the corners, especially along the edges, they're actually much easier to break if you ever need to make an emergency escape. Hidden first aid and tool compartments. So make sure you check under your seats, floor mats, and trunk panels. Some cars, actually hide emergency toolkits, first aid kits, or even warning triangles in these spots. So the next time you get into your car, remember, it's hiding more secrets than you think. Which of these did you already know, and which one surprised you the most? Drop your answer in the comments below. And hey, subscribing to our channel won't just help you discover more hidden features that make your car last longer, but you'll also help us reach YouTube's monetization goal. Something that'll help me pay my college fees and keep creating content for you. So hit that subscribe button, and let's uncover more car secrets.